I'll be reviewing with you these product. So I have got this from Flipkart. These come in pack of 4. So this is from the brand called All Time. These are plastic food storage containers. So 850 ml is their size. So I'll be reviewing this product today. So let me keep this containers aside so that I can show you one with its qualities. So these are airtight containers. This is the size in which it comes. Take a look. A cute design over here is made. In fact, it is more the things that you will be keeping inside will be more visual from this side. Although this is a bit of hazy, there is a bit of haziness over here, but this is not an issue. So the food that you will be keeping inside this container will also be visible from outside. So this is a good side of this product. So I received this product for a pretty good price, that is 169 for the pack of 4, and these are BPA free plastic, and even it is microwave safe. The lid you cannot put inside the microwave, but these containers is microwave safe. You can have a look at the back side of this product. Let me zoom in. So yeah, so this is even dishwasher safe, and you can even freeze your foods by keeping inside it. Look, I think you can hear a click sound. So this is quite airtight, so I don't think that your food will get spoiled or soggy by keeping in this container. I'm really satisfied with this product, friends, and this is 100% food grade product. So I got this for my own kitchen. This is not a sponsored video, and I got this for my own kitchen, and I thought that I should share a review with you guys. Previously I thought that this container would be pretty small, but these are quite a big container, so I don't have any problem with this one. So I think I can keep small foods or my snacks in these containers. Even some lentils will be easily kept in this container. So there is one more quality that I have found for the person having modular kitchen. So these containers you can stack easily over one another. So I can show you in this direction. So you can easily stack them over, and you can look at this thing. So the storage of these containers are pretty easy. So this was the review, and I received this from Flipkart. Their service was amazing in this quarantine period also. So this was my review about this container. This was an honest review that I thought that I should share with you guys. And that's all for today. Thank you.